Oh, you're going fast.
How fast?
You're going 10 miles per hour.
That's pretty fast.
10.4. Yeah, well. You're going 13 without. Yeah, don't do that because you're going to wipe out. The hub motor is located on the back. There's a kickstand on the front. The battery box is in the center. The charging port is right over here. They provided you with an adapter. For kickstand. Take your foot off the back. I want to see if it slows down.
It does.
It does, right? Is it easy to control?
Yeah.
Charging time on this is 5 hours.
5 hours, that's a little.
You get 4 miles per charge.
Okay, that's
So that's
pretty lot.
6.7 kilometers. Maximum weight is 121 pounds. Top speed is 7.5 miles per hour.
Today we're going to be making the GKS Gotrax Scooter for kids like me. GK.
Right, what is this, as far as you know?
Electric scooter for kids.
That's right. So Alex obviously cannot ride these. These
By
are
myself.
by himself. These are 2 adult scooters.
And you know how to ride that?
Yes. Have you tried this one yet?
No.
You know what this is? This is the off-road version of that one.
I don't want to go off-road.
Okay. Well, anyways, so these are the GLX V2 scooters. They go 15.7 miles per hour. So these are hoverboard. But now we're gonna go focus on the scooter.
You know what's weird about a hoverboard?
What's weird?
You know what I always think about a hoverboard? I think that there's like ear that fixes the board that makes it hover, but then it's not.
I know, because there's no other way to call it. Let's see here. How heavy is it? Can you carry it?
I can carry this
Oh.
part not easily.
So, okay. So it should be pretty easy to put together. Here's your handlebars. Do we need this? Maybe. So this is the GKS GKS Electric Scooter.
Here.
Okay, you put it together. Take everything out. Make sure that we have the adapters, because last time you said that
Charger cable.
you got your reflectors here. Those are pretty important because the kids. Oh, this. Look at this. This is
That's like sandpaper.
You've got a 6mm Allen wrench, 4mm Allen wrench, and then 4 screws. There are 2 bolts here. These go in between. So step 1 is get these in.
Okay.
So this is your tiller handlebar. You got your front and the rear wheel compartment. You got your approved power adapter. Do not use a random one. You're gonna burn out the battery. So the kickstand is right here. Battery box is right here.
One thing to note, the kickstand is kind of annoying when you're trying to screw in this side. Because the Allen.
Let me show you a trick. You know that the Allen key works both ways.
Oh.
The hub of the motor is here, the charging port. Alex, charging port is right here, so you know.
Okay.
Now this is kind of a rain-resistant scooter, but you obviously do not want to be riding it in
Rain.
a storm. Charging time on this is 5 hours.
5 hours, that's a long time.
You get 4 miles per charge.
Okay, that's
So that's
quite a lot.
6.7 kilometers. Maximum weight is 121 pounds. Top speed is 7.5 miles per hour. So
I'm gonna insert this turn into the head tube. Come on. Come on. Oh, okay.
So now tighten those screws with your 4mm
Wrench.
Allen wrench.
Tight.
Get the adult to finish tightening it.
And then go to the
and
other
then go
screw.
to the other one. And this just covers this flap. So the handlebar, you want to remove
The
the
screws.
screws.
I'm gonna put this in. The handlebar.
Grab the screw.
Okay, I'll grab the screw. But I can't grab that. It's so stuck.
There you go. And then just reassemble. There is no brake, the traditional brake system. There is no lights. You probably want to go and buy yourself like a little light so you can have one. The hub motor is located on the back. There's a kickstand on the front. The battery box is in the center. The charging port is right over here. They provided you with an adapter. Your kickstand. Lots of reflectors, which is a good thing.
And my feet.
And your feet. And this is like sandpaper, so this make sure that you're not going to slip off. To get it going, you have to put
How
your...
do you think it's off the sandpaper in the first place?
You wouldn't, but it's extra safe, right? They made it sure that it's extra safe. Grab it. Is it heavy?
That's heavy. That's very heavy for me.
But yet you can still hold it.
Yeah.
Okay, put it down. Let's go. Wow. So, okay, this always has to be pressed,
Okay.
and then this one is accelerate after.
So let me try.
Oh,
It works.
it works. So is it fast? Is the brake working for you? Okay, so maybe that you could use that as well.
Okay. No.
Is it comfy? Ish?
Yeah, it's pretty comfy.
Let's see how fast you're going.
I didn't say that
You're actually going. You're going faster than 7. You're going 8 point uphill. You're going 8.5. Let's go downhill. All right, let's turn around. Can you turn around? Oh, there you go. So you're using the back foot to brake?
Yeah, I use the back foot to brake and put on the throttle.
Okay, so what?
3, 2.
Hold on. Well, I will win. I just want to see how fast you go. Okay, go. Oh, you're going fast.
How fast?
Let's see. Well, hold on. I'll tell you in a second. Well, you're going fast.
Alright, my wheels hit the rock.
You're going 10 miles per hour.
That's pretty fast.
10.4.
Wow. That's fast.
How do you feel?
Good. My body's gonna break.
Let's go over there.
Okay. Okay, put on my scooter throttle. I'm going faster than
Okay, I'm
you.
gonna go get some fun shots with you.
No. You're going faster than me now.
I'm going 15. So that is the kids version.
I can also use my foot. I can use my foot.
So if you take your foot off the back, I want to see if it slows down.
It does.
It does, right? Is it easy to control?
Yeah. How fast am I going?
Slow. Okay, about 8.9.
I must be going faster than this.
You're going about 9.9. And now you're going way faster.
Going faster than what?
Yeah, well,
Wow.
you're going 13 without. Yeah, don't do that because you're gonna wipe out. Let's see so you don't pump these up. Let me see the back. So yeah, so you don't want to go too fast because the wheels are not meant for that. You see how my wheels are thick and rubber?
Yep.
They can take the speed. Yours can't. Can you slide? Show me before you go. Like, can you slide? Or is it like good? The sandpaper keeps your foot on, right?
Yeah, it's so hard to